What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 1st of December. We're taking a look here, XRP USD this morning. This will be the data from Bitstamp. This will be a daily chart. Markets are moving huge for a lot of these altcoins here in the cryptocurrency space. Bitcoin pulling back a little bit, and we're seeing a lot of alts pop off to the upside. Well, it sure looks like we have a massive break to the upside for XRP out of this ginormous multi-year pennant pattern here. If you take a look here on the screen, we got this massive pennant pattern here. Now, you know, it's hard to argue with the market, right? Market's usually right. The apex of this actually goes out into 2025. So we're seeing a massive breakout to the upside. You know, hey, it is what it is. You know, does it pull all the way back into this? You know, time will tell. You know, when the markets go into a correction, who knows where XRP will find, you know, its bottom at? Does it end up back under $1? Time will tell, guys. The last time XRP reached levels like this, let's take a look here on the screen. So we had, this was in the summer, I believe, of 2022, April. We hit just about where we're at now, right under $2. Corrected all the way down to, looks like a low of like 29. The market went up to $3 back in 2018 and corrected all the way down to 11 cents. So if history is any kind of guide here for XRP, we could easily see XRP back down well under $1. But we'll see. We'll see how high it goes here. Let's take a look. You know, we have the market obviously blasting higher. We have the market taking out many major levels to the upside. 65 up here in the 73, up here right under $1. We have some other major highs back in here. Again, this is right around that $1. Here's another level here, 137. And then, you know, just about $2 is where we're currently trading at, which is where the market topped out on this last big rally. So we are above our 164 level. You can see we found a little bit of resistance here on the 23rd of November, pulled back, and then broke it to the upside. So, you know, all is well. Next target above the market, if we get there, we're well on our way, $2.12, 5. So 2.125. That's the next target I have on my chart for XRP. So what does that mean? If you're new to the channel, if you have not yet viewed our videos, is when these markets approach, for example, the 212 level, you can expect a touch of that level. Yes, you can trade above it, but more than likely, we will pull back once we get close to that level for, you know, X amount of time, X being like an unknown factor. So it took place right here, broke out above 121, rallied up to 164. Our high was 163.339, and then we pulled back for a couple days before rallying and breaking that level. So let's say it plays out the exact same way. We would rally up over the next few days. We would touch, maybe slightly trade above 212, and then pull back for, you know, X amount of time, and so on. So that's the next level, guys. It's $2.12 is my next target. We're at $1.91 here on this Sunday morning, the 1st of December. It's about 11% higher, okay? XRP has ran, so after putting in some lows here, finding some support around 50 cents, it's ran, let's just call it from the lows around 45 to the highs, about a 300% move in a pretty short amount of time. Let's call it, let's see here, about 37 days, so a little over a month, about 300% move. The upper end of the pennant pattern would have been a break above just about 69 cents. That would have been a break outside the pennant pattern. You could see we had a break here on the 12th. We had a very mixed day on the 13th and then a confirmation to the upside on the 14th of November. So just a quick wrap up here for XRP. This, again, XRP USD chart. What are we looking for the upside? Well, short term, guys, we want to see the market, we just watch our next level, which again is $2.12. If we get an aggressive pullback, look for support at $1.64. And then, let's not forget that this market topped out right at where it's at right now in the past and then pulled all the way back down to, looks like it was about 51 or 52 cents. So, does XRP make new highs, all-time highs? We just don't know yet. It's very possible, but we just don't know. It's up there at like looks like 320-ish. One level at a time. Understand that markets that go straight up are not sustainable forever. Okay? They are not sustainable forever. They can go way higher than you and I think, and they can go way lower than you and I think. But at some point, you'll have a opposite reaction. So if we go straight up, at some point, we're going to retrace a lot of that, if not more. Okay? But it can find a new trading range. So this thing could pump all the way to $3, $4, $5, consolidate, pull back to, $1.50, and that's the new range. So it doesn't mean it's going to go back down here to the below $1 range. My all-time high price target for XRP, it looks like is $11.15. $11.15, guys, right in here. And boy, do I hope it reaches that. That would be pretty unbelievable. Time will tell. XRP, $2.12 next target, 164 below the market if we fade. And then $2.85, $2.92 are my two targets up there, not too far from the all-time high up there around 320. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. It's up $900. We have Bitcoin playing a level right now, the 96,626.83 level. That was my upper target as we were breaking out of this little mini pennant pattern here. We have reached that. We have pulled back below it. Again, that's what we talked about. We got to our target, traded up a little bit, pulled back to it, came up here, tested it again as some resistance, and we're trying to break out above it. We have a target for Bitcoin, 130,000 above the market. Time will tell. Is this market going to top out at 100 grand, or is it going to leave that in the dust and continue on? From my past experience with following cryptocurrency markets, you'll get Bitcoin go on its crazy run, and then you'll get a changing of the guard there. You'll get altcoins start to pop off as Bitcoin is topping out. So that's what we're seeing, but that doesn't mean that Bitcoin's not going to go on another run here. Okay? I know people are expecting that, which is a concern, but, let's not ignore what the charts are doing. And, right, they're trying to break above 96,626. And we're just going to, continue to follow and watch it. Thanks for watching, guys. We have Discord. We'll have a Discord service coming out soon. If you're interested, let me know down in the comments. Again, I will share that with the channel. Trading signals on Discord, futures, and some cryptocurrencies in there as well. It should be out soon. If you're not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. Let me know. Is XRP going to go to $11? Let me know down in the comments. Of course, not financial advice, guys. Please make your own financial decisions. Catch you in the next one.